Good evening, Professor, and hello everyone. My name is Soy Paul. I'm from Listening and Speaking Development. So today I would like to say about my presentation is what are the differences between good leader and bad leader. So before I explain the good leader and bad leader, so I'd like to say definition. So you will know about what is a good leader, how to be a good leader. Yeah. So a good leader is refer to motivation, inspiring others to contribute the best effort or good attitude as well. But the bad leader, opposite of a good leader, yeah, like a poor motivation or bad attitude as well. So this is a good leader. Good leader, I have some 7 points. Yeah, the first, humble. Humble like is not a trample on someone, but you mean if you have work, you do the wrong, your employee or staff will tell you about the mistake or will tell you about how to do this good, how to do this wrong. Yeah, this is a humble. And two, trust. Trust means if you believe someone or believe your leader, so trust, you can follow them, yeah, follow the team. For example, the teacher, you can believe him, you will follow him also. Yeah. And team. First team means pay attention your staff or your leader. For example, if your employee or staff do the wrong, you will tell them. You cannot angry to them, to everyone, to your employee. So you can tell them about the job or how to this good, to this wrong, to approve your job. Yeah, is first team. And four, set a good example means a role model. If you have a good leader, you will follow them, follow her, or follow him. Because when he good leader, they will tell you about the job, how to develop a job, how to develop your life when you apply. Yeah. For example, if you do the work with him, you do wrong, you will do wrong. Yeah. You will do anything you don't know how to do this, how to do that. And then he tell you about how to do it good. You will send him, you will follow him. Yeah. You will get him for a role model. Yeah. This is set a good example. And 5, communicate clear goal. Mean like you set up the goal, you plan a good goal. You will a good leader more. Because if you don't have goal, if you don't have clear about the set up a goal, you do not good leader. You do not develop your work, develop your campaigns. And say recognize achievement means agree what you get, agree what you get someone advise you. Yeah, it is say. And so listen to and consider other people's ideas. Mean if you good leader, if you want to be a leader somewhere, you must listen to someone or listen your staff, your employee, and then your employee or staff to tell you about good idea. Yeah, you can they can tell you about how to develop your company. Yeah, it is a good leader. You will follow each other. Yeah. But the bad leader is not good leader. Yeah, because the leader is not a core motivation of attitude. Yeah, I have some seven points. I have 7 points. So the first is arrogance. Arrogance means he don't listen to someone. He don't follow someone tell him because he success. Yeah. You can see the picture this one. If you don't follow him, he will tell you about his strong song. Yeah, this is one. 2, demand respect. Demand respect like if a bad leader to tell you, you must respect him. Yeah, respect him. You cannot respect him. When you don't respect him, he will angry you. And 3, employee against each other, like leaders angry to other employee, or staff angry to other staff. Yeah. This means like if you do work with a bad leader, you will employee angry with you. You don't have idea to tell him. Yeah. And 4, perhaps in mistake. This means like if he, for example, he have a mistake, he don't correct from your advice, from the staff, from the employee, tell him. Yeah. And 5, say one thing but does another. Like say one to do thing, to do job this, but please don't do this, but do each other work, other jobs. So what is not good for a leader? And such thing they know everything. So the bad leader is know everything, cannot follow, cannot listen to someone telling to how to develop this one. So the bad leader is not follow everyone, follow staff. So then, if mature with goals and serve impulse, like mean it's not a clear goal. It's not a clear goal because he don't see the future. He don't set up the goal tomorrow. But if you do this, you still do again and again, not change the goal. So this is a bad leader. Yeah. So and then in conclusion, if you want to be a leader, you must to follow the good leader. Yeah. So the good leader are always looking out for the best interest from each other. Good leader, he wants to know to motivation about to someone to how to do good by yourself, how to do good to someone or develop your jobs. Yeah. But the bad leader is not good because the bad leader actively reject, respond careless, not pay attention, yeah, not motivation, but usually they plan to someone or plan to start or employees as well. So this is my presentation. So thank you for paying attention to me.